Hello dear traders, welcome to InstaForex TV channel. You're watching a weekly link up with me, Anna Kasatkina. We'd like to discuss the ongoing situation on Forex with technical analyst Peter Yakimovic and forecast further moves of popular currency pairs. For a few weeks in a row, investors have been worried about the fast-spreading coronavirus inside and outside of China. However, market sentiment improved at the end of this week for the simple reason scientists have discovered a vaccine. The welcome news propelled a rally of stock indices and the US dollar. Besides, the greenback found extra support from the upbeat data on the US economy. The labor market confirmed strength, and all sectors revealed robust business activity. Meanwhile, the euro-dollar pair is completing one of the most volatile weeks in the recent past. Let's ask our technical expert Peter Yakimovic to update the weekly outlook for the most popular currency pair. Hi Peter, what deals on the euro-dollar pair would you advise our traders to open next week?
Hello there traders. On the euro versus US dollar, what I found is that there is a key multi-pivot support on the test at the price of around, let's say, 1.1 and 1.0980. So this is a critical multi-pivot support, and my advice is basically, if you got any selling position from last week, since I suggest you watch for a downside opportunities last week in my previous forecast. So if you got any selling position left on the table, so my advice is basically to watch to exit, because around this level, around 1.1 on the euro dollar, it's also a round number, and it can bring also buyers into the market. So my advice to actually watch for buying opportunities. I see there is a potential for the rally, at least in the next few days. So you can use that chance maybe and try to buy on any bullish pattern, or using the intraday frames or 4-hour time frame to buy on the dips there towards the 1.1065 and maybe 1.1100 level. So again, because of the multi-pivot support on the test, I see the lack of supply there. Watch for buying opportunities with the first upward target at the price of 1.1065.
The pound-dollar pair has been also trading under high volatility this week.
On the British pound versus US dollar, there is also a multi-pivot level support on the test, and this is around the level around the 1.2950 and 1.2900. So pay big attention to these levels, because this is the area where the buyers can come and where we might see a further rally on the British pound. And definitely my advice is not to watch for selling opportunities on the British pound because of that key support on the test. To watch for a downside, you will really need some bigger drop and some developing value below this big support. So for now, watch for buying opportunities as long as this support is holding, as long as there is a chance for that rally. So watch for buying opportunities with the upward targets at the price of 1.3050 and 1.3200, like a major swing high from the background. Again, major support on the test, multi-pivot support, and potential for the pound to rally in the next few days.
The dollar-yen pair arouses keen interest amid such complicated fundamentals when investors are shifting from risk aversion to risk appetite.
On the USD versus Japanese yen, there is an interesting situation there, because what I found is that basically there is average size in the overbought zone, and I found basically the area around 110 looks like a very solid sell zone, because of the previous price action is suggesting that there is a basically cluster of orders around the 110 level on the USD yen. So watch for selling opportunities basically, and actually the main objective to the downside can be around 109.25, and this is actually very, very important level. So that 109.25 can be a quite good to potentially exit your sell position if you see that downside move. And then the second downward target is set at the price of 108.40, and this will be your, let's say, second target if you decide to go for the sell position. And my advice is to watch for selling positions, basically because of this resistance on the test, and that RSI looks like a very overbought in the overbought zone.
Thank you, Peter, for your trading recommendations, and see you next week. You have watched the Linkup on InstaForex TV with me, Anna Kasatkina, and Petar Yakimovic, technical analyst of InstaForex office in Serbia. We wish you always profitable trading and see you soon.